so many kids are struggling with the same thing now. It's just shown, anxiety and depression. We're going to nip that right in the bud and help them by giving them the tools they need to counter that. If they don't have those tools, and if mental health isn't taken care of, that's when the ultimate loss happens. And we can prevent that. You and I can prevent that, but we have to take an action. We have to give them these tools. And Born to Shine has the tools kids need. We have student support for K through 5. We have parent support, and we also have staff support. So we can help not only your students, but your staff and their parents. And we can help in a really fun, lighthearted, positive way. And we're going to get your students to learn how to love themselves and love each other, to be kind to themselves, kind to each other, to be empathetic towards others, and to be more resilient. So this is all about togetherness and connection and teamwork and feeling good about themselves and treating others well too. So if this is resonating with you and you want to help your students with their mental health, Born to Shine is your best friend. I truly believe every student is one caring adult away from becoming a success story. And that one caring adult is you.